In this video we will see how can we calculate the loss of monopoly or monopolistic competitive phases using the graphical analysis. So we will draw the graph first. The monopoly or monopolistic competitive market faces downward demand curve. We have quantity on x-axis and price and cost variables on the y-axis, and the monopoly and monopolistic competitive firm faces downward marginal revenue cost function, whereas it has U-shaped marginal cost curve. So assuming that the average total cost curve the firm is facing looks like the U-shape upward sloping average total cost curve. So the firm maximizes its profit where marginal revenue is marginal cost at that point. So assuming that at that point the profit maximizing quantity is 20, the firm charges price greater than marginal revenue, so it will charge prices on the demand curve at this point, assuming that it is charging a price of $30 and the average total cost at that specific quantity is $40. So that the rectangle area is the loss the firm is bearing. So we will calculate the profit or loss function. We will calculate the profit value from the formula price minus ATC into quantity. The firm is charging price of 30, whereas at that point the average total cost is 40. Here we have assumed this number as it is for the explanation, and at point Q is equal to 20. So we get minus 10 into 20 minus 200. So the firm is bearing a loss of minus $200. Similarly, we can calculate the loss per unit, which is equal to 200 divided by 20. So per unit loss is minus 10. So per unit loss is $10. It can also be calculated from the formula price minus ATC. So we have the price of 30 minus ATC, which is equal to 40. So we get minus 10. Thus the loss per unit is minus $10. This is how we can calculate the profit for a low profit or loss for a monopolistically competitive market. So if the average total cost curve was like this, then the ATC would be some form, where here let's say at 20. So the price is greater than ATC. That means in that case the firm will be is facing a profit. So we can calculate the profit at that point as well using the same formula. In that case the price will be, as it is 30 minus ATC will be 20, and the profit maximizing quantity was same as previously, which is equal to 20. So we get profit at that specific point is 10 into 20, which is equal to 200, and the per unit profit is 200 divided by 20, which gives the per unit profit is equal to $10. This is how we can calculate the profit and loss for a monopoly and monopolistically competitive market graphically.